Vechain at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a short-term pullback after getting rejected within a key area of resistance between the 0.03067 and the 0.02426, which is that yellow target area. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the Fibonacci key areas of supports that we need to continue holding above, and above all, also give you my long-term expectation using the daily chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, my analysis has been that from the lows we made on the 7th of April, we picked impulsively in the formation of that first wave. Then we started a corrective pullback in the formation of a second wave that fully maximized minimum target areas. And we saw a reaction of the minimum target areas starting this bounce over here in what I believe is the start of an impulsive bounce in the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of that wave 2. And on so doing, the area that you need to pay attention to as your next target area lies on the Fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.04458, an area that we can easily maximize in the next coming days. Then from that point, we should expect a short-term pullback in the formation of that EDU wave count 4 and then continue pushing even higher. Also remember, for us to get a confirmation that the wave 3 is getting started, we need to see a break above two swing highs above the 0.03136 and the 0.03414, and the moment we manage to break above those highs, then we can easily continue pushing even higher. We also need to have in mind that along the way we are going to see pullbacks, and here on the 4-hour chart we are getting a pullback after getting rejected within this yellow target area that was acting as resistance, and that is after getting a 5-wave structure to the downside from the highs we made above the 0.034 in a pullback that gave us a low below the 0.01813. And having seen that 5-wave structure, I was expecting that we are going to get an ABC corrective bounce, which has now played out. And since we have now hit the minimum target areas, we should be expecting a bit of a short-term pullback that should continue holding within Fibonacci key areas of support that can be given by connecting the fibs from the lows we made in the formation of that wave A to the highs we made in the formation of that wave C. And on so doing, the area that you need to pay attention to lies between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that is between the 0.02392 and the 0.02063, which is that blue target area. So in case we lose support above the 0.025, I will be expecting to see Vechain fully maximize this blue target area, find support, and then start another reaction to the upside, starting a mega bounce that can easily give us a break above the 0.03. And the worst case scenario can only play out if we drop into this blue target area, and maybe at some point we break out of the target area to the downside. If that plays out, then I will be expecting a reset of the lows we made below the 0.01824 in the next coming days. So that is all that I expect here on the Vechain chart, on the short term and also on the long term. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.